Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my latest purchase. This is the SKMEI digital sports watch for men, sold from a company CAC City Watch, CAKCITY watch. As with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So let's see what we get here. Packaged nicely. Basically, we've got an instruction manual here. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. And then the watch itself. So this is not my first experience with this brand of watch. I've actually got one that I bought for my kids 11 years ago. It is solar power and it is still working just fine. It's actually been a great watch. My kids don't wear it anymore, but I basically kept it to see how long it'll go. 11 years and still going strong. I've done nothing with it. Still working fine. So let's take a look at this watch. This is the 1818. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the case back. It's packaged great. The quality of these watches is great. A lot of them are basically mimics of Casio watches, minus some of the features. This one's a little bit different though, because somebody like me, I'm really just looking for the timer, the alarm, stopwatch, stuff like that. And for that, you can't beat the price of these watches. Now this is just an unboxing. Once I figure out how to use the features, maybe I'll add those to the end of this video so you can see how to set the watch, what the watch does, so on and so forth. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.